This is a great kitchen. We have a double island, double sink, double dishwasher, so it's a dream come true. We have very good wall appliances, and everything was done to the maximum detail as the architect specified. This is all lacquer and painted wood. As we can see, the Taj Mahal not only did the counter, but with the backsplash even to the ceiling. This was a really heavy piece of stone to carry up there, and it looks amazing. It's a totally covered wall with Taj Mahal. So here we have the double trash can, we have this space for cooking books. One of the most important things to notice about this house is that through the permitting process, we changed, as a suggestion to the client, the HVAC system was such a strict process through the city with engineers. Finally, we were able to get it approved and be able to build it. But we have such a privilege to be able to come into these homes, get into people's personal life, and basically improve the way they live. So we have such a responsibility to do it right. In construction, the most important thing is not just coming in, knocking things down and be able to build it, but it's coordination, procurement, execution, scheduling. We are not improvising. So this is the panel fridge and freezer, and here we have a hidden pantry under the stairs. So an amazing thing that happened during the construction process is that the first baby of the home was born, so she was able to move into the home a month after she was born.